Hello again, everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to do the maintenance that you have to do every once in a while. Now, we don't ask you to do this all the time, depending on how fast you change courses. For example, if you're a fast track teacher, you may have to do it more often, but if you are a fast track teacher or a young learners teacher, you don't change courses so often, so you don't have to do this maintenance so often. Now, as we said, you will have a different ID for each course. This means that each time you create one of these buttons here for each course, you will create a scheduled meeting. Remember that in your Zoom account, you have the option to schedule meeting. So when a room is created here, it is created as your scheduled as a scheduled meeting, and just to keep in mind that it is not really a problem if you have lots of them, but maybe it's better to keep it all clean and nice. So that's why you have to do this maintenance. Now, let's see what I mean. So you are in your, this is my Zoom profile. I entered it through the website. You know how to enter it already. So you access your Zoom account and you go to meetings or reuniones, depending on what you have there, what your language is. So you go to reuniones and let's wait. Now this is a bit slow because I'm uploading a video to YouTube here, but it should be faster for you. So here you have your meetings screen. So in my case it says reuniones because I don't know why my Zoom account is in Spanish. And here you will see scheduled meetings. Okay, remember that I used to ask you to go to your personal meeting room and use that one, but now we're going to look at our scheduled meeting or meetings or proximas. And you see that I have a few here because I've been testing and creating rooms just to see if everything works all right. But here is the one that I created before. So today it was for the fast track course. So here you have the fast track 7 live sessions, and here is that one. So as you see, if you create 10 rooms for 10 different courses, you will have 10 different scheduled sessions here. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to eliminate some of them. So here you can eliminate. So once you finish your fast track 7 course and you have a new course, a fast track 8, or I don't know, an express or another course, once in a while I want you to go to your room and eliminate your previous scheduled sessions, so that you don't have like 50 sessions here. Okay, now you don't have to do it every month. Maybe you can do it every 2 months or every 3 months. I don't know, whatever is comfortable for you, as long as you do it, just so that we can keep everything clean and nice here. So it will be just that. You go to your scheduled sessions, to your meetings, schedule meetings or schedule sessions, and you eliminate the one that you're not using already, that you're not using anymore. I'm sorry. So that's it. You just click on that and you eliminate it. I'm not going to demonstrate now because I don't want to eliminate this one. But it's as easy as that. You just have to click on eliminate. It might ask you a confirmation. So yes, that's a confirmation, and you just click on eliminate or remove or delete, whatever it is in English. And that's it. Just remember to do this every once in a while. Thanks a lot for watching.